Hey everyone, Joshua Martinez here, and welcome to this week's idea. So this week's idea is looking for buying opportunities on the NASDAQ 100. So in front of us, this is the daily time frame. We're looking at the E-mini futures. We have an uptrend. The market is making higher highs and higher lows. Buyers are currently in control. We have an up Fibonacci with a 618 retracement, making the extension the 1.618. However, we are targeting the monthly up Fibonacci, price point 32541.25. Now, the best thing that we could do if you want confirmation is to wait for the market to break and close above this purple line. This purple line is tracking the short-term retracement. If the buyers take control, we have to close above that purple line. So if or when the market closes above that purple line, it's known as a counter trend line break, indicating the short-term retracement could be over and the long-term extension could begin. To lower risk, instead of trading off the daily time frame, you can pull the direction of the big giant target and then just go to like a 1 hour time frame, a 5 minute time frame. Wait for the market to get into the buy zone. When or if the market's making higher highs and higher lows and the buyers are currently in control, what you could do is look for those long ideas with less risk, but go after that big old target. All right, everyone, this concludes this week's idea. My name is Josh Martinez. I hope you have a wonderful day.